your say on this?
No, the Supreme Court had said that the vaccination policy of the Narendra Modi-led government violates right to life, which is a fundamental right in our constitution. And secondly, the Supreme Court also did not believe when the Narendra Modi-led government told the court that the oxygen supply and its monitoring is being monitored by Shri Narendra Modi and Mr. Amit Shah. Now that is why I am of the opinion that the government of India has failed in their vaccination policy, and which is right to life under the constitution. They have failed in providing oxygen to the state government and to union territories because supply of oxygen is in the exclusive domain of the union government. And that is why, because of their not living up to their constitutional duty and not controlling this second wave, they slept on their own scientists warning them that a second wave will come. But despite that, the government led by Mr. Narendra Modi failed. And what you see now is that every day in India, more than 4,000 people are dying from last 3 weeks. The Khabrastan and the Shamshans are full with dead bodies. People are not able to get oxygen. The government is not able to provide the remdesivir or whatever the drugs are required. The government is not able to provide oxygen. The government is not able to provide vaccination to even to people who are over above 45 years. That is why I am of the opinion that the Narendra Modi-led government must accept its mistake and apologize to the people of India for not being capable enough to stop the second wave.
Right. Sir, so despite many medical analysts time and again saying that, despite many medical so regarding that, what is your...
Yes, they exported nearly 6 crore, nearly 6 crore of vaccinations to foreign countries. The Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi was only happy in his own publicity. He was happy that his photographs was there on those vaccines. He is happy that when people get vaccinated, his photo is there. Why did the government allow this export of our vaccines to different foreign countries? You know, it clearly shows that they have always indulged in publicity. They have never indulged in concrete action. And that is why, because of their follies, because of their egoistic attitude, the people of India are suffering, and suffering in such a bad way that in Bihar, in Ganga, hundreds of dead bodies are being found now. You know, the government has no policy whatsoever. The Prime Minister is completely disconnected. His government is completely disconnected with the actual sufferings of the people of India. And that is why I feel that they have completely not only mismanaged it, but they are incapable enough. You know, they have completely botched up the whole thing. And why isn't the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi allowing other pharmaceutical companies to build this vaccine? Covaxin, ICMR had given license to Bharat Biotech. Why can't you use that those Drug Control Act to give licenses to other?
नमस्कार, मैं हूं मानक गुप्ता। अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें, और हां, हमें सब्सक्राइब और फॉलो करना ना भूलें ताकि आप देश और दुनिया की कोई खबर मिस ना करें। तो जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ और देखते रहिए न्यूज़ 24।